Hi, I'm Steven Spencer. Welcome to Steven Spencer's Spectacular Reviews. Hi, I'm Steven Spencer. Welcome to Steven Spencer's Spectacular Reviews. My therapist says I need to take pride in my work. So this week, I'm going to review something that I take pride in. My 2014 Kia Forte. I can show you its many unique features. Let's cut to a new camera angle. Here we are on a close-up angle of the engine. As you can see, it's adequately clean. There's also a dipstick for the oil and a battery. Whoa mama, check out them sweet rims. Now let's take a look at the inside of this sweet mama. Inside, it has such features as a tachometer and a speedometer. Also, it has a headset. I like to listen to my music from it. I also have an ice scraper for inclement weather. In the back, there's adequate room for 1, even 2 DOT approved child safety seats. The second one is in the wife's car. As you can see, there's plenty of trunk space for storing things such as hoodies and reflective vests or other things that you don't want your wife to find out about. This has been another episode of Steven Spencer's Spectacular Reviews. I had fun. How about you? Please leave your comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Steven Spencer.